Cicadas sing all over the countryside in summer, which is full of flowers and trees. The scorching sun is getting on the ground and dotted with people. Tasting delicious grapes and pears, enjoying a pleasant time afternoon. The summer in Feixiang seemed to have pressed the pause button. Having local snacks, people can catch the Millennium market in Zhaodu water town, where the Asian Zhao culture and Shaanxi cuisine mix together. The village scenery enriches the whole summer and gets you away from noise back to nature.